Mama Nature here. Let's make some quick and easy lasagna roll-ups for dinner. I'm going to start by boiling our lasagna noodles, and I've got a big pan that fits the length of the noodles, and it's pretty deep, so I just put some water and some chicken stock along with a little bit of Celtic sea salt to give it a lot of flavor. I strained the pasta after it boiled for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to put it into a bowl with some cold water. We just want to cool them off enough so that they can be handled. While my pasta is cooling off, I'm going to prepare the filling. So first, and I usually put all of the ingredients into little nondescript containers so you don't know where the products came from. But I want to show you exactly the ingredients that I use. I like to add baby spinach to my lasagna. This is a great brand. The leaves are still have a little bit of tooth to them, which is awesome as well. So I'm going to just do a couple handfuls. The rest of this will go into my smoothies for this week. All right, so we've got our lasagna. Let's go with our cheeses. I like to use 3 different kinds of cheese. Whole milk, shredded mozzarella. Made with whole milk, it's going to have the whole fat, it's going to have the whole curd, and your body recognizes that. Your body can tell when you've got the whole of the thing. So the whole plant, the whole milk, it's why are words failing me? Holy crap. If you're someone who uses holistic medicine and a holistic lifestyle, you want your food to also be holistic. So whole milk, whole organic, everything, really. Those should be your choices. Same for our ricotta cheese. If you're from New Jersey, you call it ricotta, but it's ricotta cheese. Again, whole milk. And I'm going to take about half of this container. It's a 32-ounce container. So I'm going to take about 16 ounces. Just going to dump it right in there. We've got 2 of our cheeses. The third one is grated Parmesan. And this is a Trader Joe's brand, which, you know, everything from Trader Joe's I just love. And the prices are right. All right, so now we've got our 3 cheeses. Let's add some seasonings. We're going to do garlic powder, a good healthy sprinkle. We're going to do onion powder, again, a good healthy sprinkle. And oregano. No Italian dish is complete without oregano. And I know a lot of people, especially on the West Coast, they really like a sweet, well, they like everything to be sweet. I like savory. Oregano is going to give you savory. Basil will give you sweet. So I stay away from basil in my cooking. Basil is a great anti-inflammatory herb, however, so if you want to make holy basil tea, wonderful, excellent. But I don't want it in my food. And then we're going to add 1 egg. Smash it on the counter is the best way to get it. Break it with 1 hand and throw it in a sink. That is our entire filling. We're just going to mix that up and we'll start rolling up our lasagna. All right, now this is the fun part. If you're a crafty person, you'll love this part. So you're going to take out your lasagna noodle, which is cool enough to handle. You're going to take just a little bit of your filling and spread it across the length of your pasta. Not all the way to the end and not all the way to the beginning. And here's why. You're going to fold over the beginning and you're just going to gently gather up all of that goodness until you reach the very top of that noodle. And that's it. We've got 1 roll up. I'm going to roll up the rest of these and fill up this pan just like so. All right, I forgot a step, so I brought you back in so that you could see. I put in the bottom of my casserole dish just a little layer of pasta sauce. And you know Mama always has a big pot of gravy in the fridge, so that's all I did. I put some pasta sauce in there, and we're gonna lay our babies right in the sauce and fill them in. Okay, so I wound up being able to fit only 9 of my roll-ups into this 9x9 pan. So I got another little one out and I put the last 3. This one, my husband won't be able to take for lunch. Now what I'm gonna do is take some of that gravy and just put it across the top, just like so. Now it's topped with the tomato gravy. We're gonna go and put on some more mozzarella. Basically, I'm gonna top this the way that you would top a pizza. So I'm gonna put cheese, and then I'm gonna put the same seasonings that I would put on top of a pizza. So my oregano, garlic, and grated Parmesan. These have all of their toppings, and I'm gonna just put a couple toothpicks and some aluminum foil over the top. I'm gonna bake them at 400 for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna take the foil off and I'll let them go until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And then it's gonna be absolutely perfect. Fresh, hot, and bubbling right out of the oven. Look at that. Can't wait to dig in. It's time for the yummy shot. We're gonna have these amazing lasagna roll-ups with a little bit of our sourdough bread from yesterday, some Italian butter. This is just olive oil with some balsamic vinegar, oregano, salt and pepper, and we're gonna dig in. All right, it is steaming hot, piping hot. Look at that, it looks so good. Yummy. Oh baby, and it was so simple. Real ingredients, real food. Remember, you can make and keep yourself well. Until next time, mwah! Mama loves you. Bye now. This is so good.